Hello everyone! Today we are going to dive into the world of live audio editing. This tool allows you to cut segments from your live sources, whether you are radio, a podcast, or a live event. Let's explore how you can master this technology to enhance your audio project. Let's kick things off by choosing the beginning and the ending of our section. To ensure perfection in your selection, use the loop button to replay the first 2 seconds of both the beginning and the ending. If you need to adjust the duration, you can easily add a frame, a second or 5 seconds by clicking on this respective button. Next, hit the preview button. This crucial step lets you glimpse how your audio will sound post-editing, giving you a chance to make any necessary tweaks before finalizing. Once you are satisfied with your clip, name it distinctively, make sure to click on the audio icon and then click on Generate Audio. Moving into advanced editing, click on your clip, then on the trim.
Ça dure encore 8 ans de plus, c'est-à-dire que Napoléon III.
Trim window will open. Here you have the opportunity to retrim your clip. You can also add exclusion zones to exclude, for example, ads.
Lui de prendre une décision par rapport.
This zone can be modified or cancelled at any time, giving you complete control over your audio content. Here, you can also manage multiple cuts by enabling the Create Multiple Media option. This feature is especially useful for projects that require various segments from the same audio source. Let's go back to our library to find our generated audio. Once you are done, you can review your edited media. You have the option to listen at normal speed or use the accelerated playback for a quick review, ensuring your final product meets your expectations. The Editing Live feature also allows you to revert to the original live audio for additional editing, for example. After perfecting your edits, explore the various sharing options available. You can download your clip, share its URL, or post it directly on social media. You can check our tutorial on how to post your media on social media directly on our YouTube channel. And that's a wrap on mastering live audio editing. Hope you find it useful. If you have any question, don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.